Do you dream of transforming a brilliant idea into a thriving empire? Are you ready to unleash the unlimited potential of your vision and build an inspiring legacy? This is your moment. Get ready to unlock the secrets of scalability and exponential growth, turning your startup into an unstoppable powerhouse. Every great building starts with a solid foundation. In the business world, this means building a structure that not only supports the weight of the present, but also anticipates and accommodates future growth. Your vision is the architect, and your strategy is the blueprint. A robust business model is your roadmap to success. Clearly define how you will create, deliver, and capture value, ensuring that each step is aligned with a long-term vision. This isn't just a document, it's the essence of your unique value proposition. Think about how your solution solves a real and significant problem for your customers. A well-articulated model attracts not only customers, but also investors seeking clarity and market potential. It promises a profitable and sustainable future. Company culture is the invisible engine that drives your growth. Foster an environment where innovation, collaboration, and excellence are the pillars, attracting and retaining the best talent. A strong culture is your most valuable competitive advantage. Establish clear values and an inspiring mission that resonates with every team member. A flexible and adaptable organizational structure will facilitate scalability, allowing your company to evolve without losing its essence. Invest in your people. They are your greatest asset. Profitability isn't just a goal, it's a vital necessity for survival and growth. Maintain a relentless focus on your finances, analyzing income and expenses with surgical precision. Every decision should contribute to the financial health of your company. Make sure your prices reflect the value you offer and that your profit margins are healthy. Astute financial management will allow you to reinvest in growth, innovate, and overcome challenges. Profitability is proof that your model works. The world is full of opportunities waiting to be discovered. For an entrepreneur, the key is having the vision to identify them and the audacity to pursue them. Don't settle for the status quo. Always look for the next horizon. Geographic expansion can open doors to unexplored markets and new customer bases. Thoroughly research the needs and specificities of each region before taking the plunge. A well-planned expansion minimizes risks and maximizes impact. Consider strategic alliances with local companies or distributors to facilitate your entry. The key is to adapt your offering to the cultural and economic sensitivities of each new market. Your brand can resonate globally with the right strategy. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. Diversifying products or services can mitigate risks and create new sources of revenue. Listen to your customers and observe market trends to identify unmet needs. Introduce complementary offerings that reinforce your core value proposition. This not only increases customer lifetime value, but also positions you as a comprehensive leader in your industry. Constant innovation is your best ally. Technology isn't an expense. It's a strategic investment that drives efficiency and innovation. Adopt tools and platforms that automate processes, improve decision-making, and optimize the customer experience. Digitalization is the future. From artificial intelligence to data analytics, technology allows you to better understand your customers and operate with greater agility. Stay ahead of technological trends to ensure your business is competitive and scalable. Efficiency is the key to profitability. A dream without a plan is just a wish. To transform your vision into reality, you need a clear and detailed roadmap to guide every step. This plan is your compass on your journey to growth. Create a growth plan that defines specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound SMART goals. Each goal should be supported by clear strategies and actionable tactics. This document is your commitment to the future. Establish milestones, key performance metrics, and indicators to monitor your progress. Flexibility is crucial. Your plan should be a living document, capable of adapting to market changes and new opportunities. Strategic planning is the foundation of successful execution. Growth requires investment. Allocate the necessary resources intelligently, prioritizing areas that generate the greatest return. This includes human, financial, and technological capital. Each resource should be a catalyst for your expansion. Hire additional staff with the right skills and mindset to scale your operation. Invest in cutting-edge technology and innovative marketing strategies to reach your target audience. Strategic investment is the engine of your growth. Scalability is the magical ability to grow without your costs skyrocketing. It's the dream of every entrepreneur and investor. The promise of a business that can multiply its revenue without a commensurate increase in its expense structure. A business is truly scalable when a significant increase in profitability does not entail a proportional increase in operating costs. This means that each new sale or customer generates a higher profit margin than the previous one. It's efficiency at its finest. Imagine a model where the existing infrastructure can support a much larger volume of operations. This frees up resources for innovation and expansion, creating a virtuous cycle of growth. Scalability is the key to long-term profitability. To build a scalable business, you must consider several critical factors. The market must be large enough to sustain exponential growth. Your product or service must be standardizable and easily replicable. The resources needed to operate must be efficient and non-linear with growth. Finally, your distribution model must allow for massive reach without prohibitive costs. Each of these elements contributes to the magic of scalability. Developing a differentiated product or service with a market-perfect fit is essential. Your offering must solve a real and urgent problem for a specific market segment. Innovation and a unique value proposition are your greatest assets. Define a large enough market and deeply understand the needs, desires, and pain points of your potential consumers. A product that resonates with its audience is a magnet for growth. Demand is the engine of scalability. Scalability isn't an accident. It's the result of meticulous planning and flawless execution. It requires a deep understanding of your environment and a clear strategy to optimize every aspect of your operation. Analyze the characteristics of the market in which your business operates. Is it a growing market? Are there barriers to entry? Who are your competitors, and what is their value proposition? A deep understanding of the market is your strategic advantage. Identify underserved niches or customer segments with specific needs. A large and expanding market offers fertile ground for exponential growth. Your ability to adapt and respond to market dynamics is crucial. Standardize your product or service to facilitate replication and maintain quality as you grow. Clear, documented processes ensure every customer receives the same exceptional experience, regardless of volume. Consistency builds trust. Automating repetitive tasks frees up your team to focus on higher value activities. Standardization not only improves operational efficiency, but also reduces costs and accelerates expansion. It is the foundation of replicability. Evaluate the resources needed to scale your business, from human capital to technological infrastructure. Do you have the right talent to lead growth? Can your technology support a massive increase in users? Resource planning is vital. Invest in the training and development of your team, empowering them to take on new challenges. Ensure your technology infrastructure is robust and flexible. Well-managed resources are the fuel that drives your expansion. Define an efficient distribution model that allows you to reach your target audience effectively and profitably. This will be through digital channels, strategic partners, or a combination of both. The right choice can accelerate your growth. A scalable distribution model minimizes logistics costs and maximizes reach. Think about how you can leverage existing platforms or create your own channels to reach millions of customers. Distribution is your bridge to the market. The path of entrepreneurship is full of challenges, but also immense rewards. These additional tips will help you navigate the journey with greater confidence and build a business that not only grows, but thrives. Clearly define your company's purpose and the value it will bring to the world. An inspiring purpose not only motivates your team, but also attracts loyal customers and investors who share your vision. Your why is more important than your what. A strong purpose will guide you through times of uncertainty and help you make decisions aligned with your values. It's the legacy you want to build, the mark you want to leave. Purpose is the soul of your brand. Adopt a mindset that sees challenges as opportunities and change as a constant. Transform your business into a scalable, profitable, and logical organization for the future. Adaptability is the key to long-term survival and success. Foster a culture of continuous learning and experimentation. Being willing to pivot and innovate will allow you to stay relevant in a constantly evolving market. Your mindset is your greatest strategic asset. Rapid growth can be exciting, but also dangerous. Beware of the risk of growing too quickly, which could lead to unsustainable costs if sales decline. Sustainable growth is more valuable than explosive growth. Closely monitor your cash flow and financial metrics. Make sure your infrastructure and team can support the pace of expansion. Controlled and strategic growth is the key to avoiding burnout and collapse. Consider cloud-based software development, SaaS, as an inherently scalable and highly profitable business model. The marginal costs of serving an additional customer are minimal, allowing for exponential margin growth. SaaS offers recurring revenue and the ability to easily reach a global market. Continuous innovation and product improvement are key to retaining customers and attracting new ones. It's a model that redefines scalability. Create and sell ebooks, online courses, or any other digital product. This business model is highly profitable and scalable, as once created, the product can be sold infinitely without additional production costs. Monetize your experience and knowledge by reaching a global audience with your content. Digital products offer a source of passive income and the freedom to scale your impact without physical limits. Your intellect is your most valuable asset. Entrepreneur, startup, investor. The future is in your hands. You've discovered the fundamental principles for transforming an idea into a scalable and successful business. Knowledge is power, but action is the real magic. Don't let this inspiration fade. Take this knowledge and apply it to your vision. Review your business model, strengthen your culture, seek out new opportunities, and plan for growth boldly. The world awaits your impact. Ready to build your legacy? Share this message with other visionaries. Subscribe for more growth strategies and join our community of leaders who are redefining the future. Your journey to the top starts today.